What's going on, YouTube? T5 Becky the Trekkie here. We are in the flooded prison mine at Silver Dollar City here in Branson, Missouri, and we'll bring you on board in the mine with us in the boat, and we'll see how it goes. I don't know if it's indoor dark or if you get wet or what, so we'll see the way. I don't know. You could have came up front. Just jump in, Becky. Yep. Oh, the score is on the gun. And then this is a indoor dark shooter. And we're gonna see who does the most shooting. I don't know that you can get both fingers in the trigger guard in this thing to do our double trigger trick. You can? You can double trigger this?
Yeah. Alright,
oh boy, I'm in toast.
Seated and don't lock those boats.
Don't lock the boat.
If you're going to tip it on during the ride, just scoot your way towards the other side so it stops tipping. We already got one Titanic in the city of Branson, so please don't be the second, and please don't.
Boy.
So good luck, and never let go, Jack.
What is this? Does this shoot here? There's a target. Does this gun work?
I got 200.
I got nothing. I'm gonna have to move if my gun's no good. I'm not supposed to move while the boat's moving, Becky.
Yeah, right.
You got scores? I don't have any. We don't have any scores.
I thought it said 200.
Oh, we're zeros. You faked me out. All right, so we're not in it yet. Here we go. Prepare to do some shooting. At the little round red dots. Boy, it's pretty dark in here. You're on the water though. This is a boat ride. This is an indoor water ride. Oh, I got a big score. 102,900. You doing any shooting, Becky? Now let's pick up your game. 104K. Oh boy, this is full of targets. Here's more shots, Becky. Get them. Hit that bell. Nothing on that side. Wow. 106,500. What do you got? 64K? You're gonna have to. You got 64. Yep. You got 6,400.
Yeah.
I got 106,000. Becky, you better go to the range. I'm taking multiple shots at the same target, though. I'll be the first to admit. I'm trying to get 3 or 4 good shots per target. Oh, this is loaded over here. There, he's working. This is elaborate. How many water obstacles do they put in this ride? Oh, there's the canaries in the coal mine, Becky. As long as those canaries are alive, we're fine. Boy, that sign's moving. Coming down pretty close. Oh, there are targets on the walls. Boy, I must have shot something real good in the first half because I'm only at 109,000 now. 201,300, Becky. What are you at? 9,900. Get some shots in, Becky. We got escaped convicts coming at us. You got to pick up your shooting game. Oh, wow. That was me. Boy, this is a lot of shooting. Look at this guy up here on the rope. Elaborate. Dude's sleeping. Wow, look at the light coming in through the boards. This is a long ride. They did a great job with this. You're up to 102. Yeah, you're catching up. You must have shot a big boss, because I think I jumped up like 100K on one target. Is that it?
Don't tell the warden if we don't sick them.
You sure? You sure, Becky? Oh, they got a boat with a cannon over here. Pretty cool. Oh yeah, that's it. All right, final count. 206, 500, 102, 100. Not bad, Becky. You really picked up steam at the end because you had a few. They really need some gun holsters, I would say, for this. So, all right, we'll get unloaded here and we'll see you outside for the review. All right, just coming out of the flooded mine. What'd you think?
Yeah, fun, interactive game in a boat or water ride, so pretty cool.
Indoor dark ride, shooter ride, and it's in a boat and you're freely flowing in the water. So I thought it had some really nice theming. There's really a lot of attractions to shoot it. So a lot of times those are slower ones. We do have a similar ride, the Den of Lost Thieves. That's in Indiana Beach. It's one of our earlier videos that's similar to that. If you want to check that one out too, I'd appreciate it. But hope you had a good time with this on this one. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. And we'll see all of our loyal subscribers and fellow travelers soon on the next review. Bye, everybody.